Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we are talking about Best Baby Nail Kit. If you are a new parent and feel nervous about trimming your baby's tiny nails, this kit might make the whole process safer and much easier. Let's take a closer look at what makes it special. Let's get started. The product we are focusing on is the Salt DSP Baby Nail Kit. Salt DSP designed this as a complete 5-in-1 grooming solution for babies. Inside the kit, you get a baby nail clipper, scissors, nail file, tweezers, and a nose picker. All these tools come neatly stored in a compact case. This keeps everything organized and protected, and it also makes the Salt DSP Baby Nail Kit easy to carry in a diaper bag or suitcase when you travel. Safety is clearly the top priority here. The tools are made from BPA-free plastic, which is safe for babies. The nail clipper and scissors use stainless steel blades that resist rust and stay hygienic over time. The nose picker features a soft silicone tip, which is gentle and reduces the risk of discomfort or injury. Every detail is designed with your baby's delicate skin in mind. The Salt DSP Baby Nail Kit also focuses on comfort and control for parents. The tools have a stable ergonomic grip so they feel secure in your hand. The small jaw width and curved cutting edges help you trim tiny nails more accurately. The scissors come with rounded tips for extra safety. The float gloss nail file gently smooths sharp edges without irritating sensitive skin. This makes nail care less stressful for both you and your baby. Another lovely detail is the cactus-inspired design. The natural green color and cute cactus shape add a playful touch to your baby care routine. It symbolizes healthy growth and makes the Salt Dispo Baby Nail Kit a charming gift option for baby showers. It also looks nice on a nursery shelf or changing table instead of looking like a medical tool. This kit is suitable for newborns, infants, and toddlers. As your child grows, you will still have the right tools for safe grooming. The compact storage case keeps everything clean and ready to use at any time. Small tools, big peace of mind. If you want a safe, practical, and adorable grooming solution, the Salt Desp Baby Nail Kit is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description for more details, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more helpful baby care products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.